Hey, wooden toys look simple, but one wrong step can mean cracks, splinters, or failed safety checks. Today I'll show you the exact process I use to make wooden toys strong, smooth, and kid-safe. I'm Wow Wu, co-founder and overseas sales director at Edentoy. We work with toy brands, Amazon sellers, and importers worldwide, helping them build reliable products. In the next few minutes, I'll break down 6 practical steps: wood selection, cutting, sanding, finishing, assembly, packaging. This matters because safety issues and returns don't just cost money, they kill reviews and trust. Everything starts here. The wood is your foundation. For bigger toys and sturdy blocks, I like beech, dense and durable. For stable parts and detailed shapes, maple is great. For smaller components, birch works well. For lightweight and easy cutting, pine is common. But here's the real key: dry wood. If moisture is too high, your toy can warp or crack later. Real case: an overseas buyer asked me for a special line of wooden blocks, strong but not too heavy. We tested and controlled the moisture level, and the result was smooth, sturdy blocks that made the buyer happy and strengthened the partnership. Quick tip: control humidity plus temperature in storage. Don't skip this. It saves you from future returns. Now we cut and form the parts. I always start with clear blueprints. Then I focus on one thing: precision. Sharp blades reduce splinters and waste. Slow down on small pieces, rushing chips the edges. If the toy has interlocking parts, accuracy matters even more. Real case: I work with Amazon sellers who do small batch wooden puzzles. If one piece is off, the puzzle becomes frustrating and customers leave bad reviews. So I double check every cut, and for repeated patterns we use computerized cutters like CNC. This is where OK becomes premium. Sanding removes sharp edges, rough spots, splinter risks. I usually sand in stages: coarse, medium, fine. The final pass gives a soft feel and a clean grain. And yes, this is a safety step. Kids touch everything, and sometimes chew toys too. Real case: one client wanted a set that mixed wooden blocks with our 3D printed figures. The wood had to feel as smooth as the plastic. It took patience, but once the finish matched across materials, the client loved it. Finishing protects the wood from moisture and wear. And it's what buyers see first. You can use natural oils, simple look, child-safe paints, varnish, extra protection. I always choose coatings that match the target market's rules, like CE for Europe or ASTM Toy Safe for US. Some markets also ask for specific compliance like SASO. Real case: a small American toy brand wanted vibrant colors, red, blue, yellow, on wooden blocks. We tested samples, chose non-toxic durable paint, applied multiple coats, fully dried each layer, then sealed with varnish. Humidity control was critical, otherwise paint can streak or peel. After drying, we assemble the parts. Common methods: glue only, simple blocks, puzzles; nails, screws, big frames, strong builds; dowels plus glue, interlocking structures; metal axles, cars, moving wheels. Rule number 1: non-toxic materials, especially adhesives. Kids put toys in their mouths. Assume that will happen. Real case: for a complex interlocking wooden puzzle, alignment had to be perfect or the whole set failed. For wooden race cars, we used small axles and tested the wheels to roll smoothly, again and again. Packaging protects your work and sells your product. I like boxes plus inserts, stop parts from shifting; strong outer cartons, shipping protection. For big orders, we optimize packaging for freight cost, but never sacrifice protection. A damaged toy, has bad reviews plus refunds. Packaging is also marketing. Show key features, show safety marks when applicable, add brand story, logos, and clean design. Real case. One client wanted their brand story on every box. We added a short how it's made message, and it helped the product stand out on the shelf and online. If you remember only one thing, remember this: good wood plus precise cutting plus deep sanding plus safe finishing plus careful assembly plus smart packaging. That's how you make wooden toys people trust. If you're building a wooden toy line or you want help with OEM sourcing, packaging, or small batch orders, reach out. www.ddntoy.com. WhatsApp +86 17858 84347.